Guardian. This is Ashwin. I'm head of marketing and partnership from KardiaChain.io, a hybrid blockchain solutions for enterprises and government, firstly in Vietnam and then Southeast Asia. The reason why you can see me here now today is that we would like to restructure this channel into a place where we can put the updates as well as give more interaction with our dearest communities, the one who have been supporting and following us in every single step. So the goal of this channel is to increase the fan base from less than 200 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers by the end of December. For other channels are also rapidly and organically growing, so YouTube must be one of them, especially when Kai is coming into entertainment industry.